Hey, welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing some new LED headlights on the XJ. We're doing some from HID Vision Canada. So these headlights came all the way from our neighbors up north. I like to try different headlights every once in a while. I like to do HID conversions, LED conversions with the headlight assemblies that you stick a bulb into. These are going to be sealed beam. It makes things a little bit easier, keeps moisture out better. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do this project. Let's go ahead and get started. And this was sponsored by car sponsors and HID Vision Canada. So really all you're going to need for this is going to be a Phillips. You can use a ratchet with a Phillips head, whatever you want to do. But usually all the bolts or nuts, or bolts that are holding these headlights in and the headlight bezels is just going to be Phillips heads. So we're going to do that right after I show you these headlights. So you're going to get a black box just like this, and you're going to get your receipt, obviously, and you're going to get a little business card just like that, if you can see that. Then of course it comes in a two-piece kit. So I got these ones right here. They actually have a couple different designs. I thought these looked the best, so they do come with this protective film on them. I think these are going to look really nice on there. I've never really been a huge fan of the black look, just because I like to try to stick to a stock look. But I do like the clear lens. I did want to get back to LEDs because currently I do have halogens, and I don't like halogens. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So you're going to see two Phillips heads at the top, or they should be Phillips. Sometimes on these XJs people tend to get screws lost and they'll put something different in there. But they should be Phillips. You got two here, and then this just pulls right out. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now you will see 4 Phillips heads on the top and bottom. Now you do have a bolt right here in the middle, but that's your adjuster screw. Try not to mess with that, because you know, unless you want to afterwards to kind of adjust your beam if you need to. But otherwise, it's just these 4 Phillips here. That will remove your headlight retainer bracket. And your headlight comes out. Now you're going to see here, you have a 3-prong plug-in at the back. Just like that. And there's your plug-in. You can upgrade these, I've heard, if you would like to do that while you're doing this at the same time. Now, here's your new plug-in, and you got your 3 wires here. So make sure the DOT SAE is on the top and facing upwards. Go ahead and plug it in. This is going to be a little bit longer, so you want to try to find the best place in the back here to kind of stuff all this wire. Make sure nothing gets pinched off. Now put your headlight retainer bracket back in. Fits perfectly. Now, do 1 bolt, or 1 screw. Now let's go ahead and test the headlights to make this one to make sure it works. So as you can see, those are pretty bright, and the color looks good. The headlight works. We're going to go ahead and do the other side, and then after that we're going to try to test our beam against like a wall or something to see how the beam looks. You know, I actually wasn't too sure about how I was going to feel about the look, but I actually really like it. I think it fits the front of the Jeep really well, especially with the kind of, what would you call it, matte or satin black look that I'm going with for most of the vehicle. I'm going to show you a little pass by these headlights. I think they look great. So, that was my install of the HID Vision Canada 5x7 LEDs. They do have other models, like I said before, that you can also get for the Cherokees, or anything that takes 5x7. Either way, now that we got that done, let's go test out the beam, see how it looks. Oh, there it was. There you go. We finished her up. Checked the beam. The color looks good. And, yeah, I like them. I appreciate you watching this video. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe and like. Help out our algorithm on YouTube. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.